We'll probably sit around and cook some soups and eat bread and desserts and just get all fat and sassy.
Hello everybody. I think I'm going to start picking up the pace on the amount of videos I post, at least over the next couple months. That being said, they're not going to be on YouTube. If it's about homesteading, sure, I'll put it on YouTube. But the majority of the videos are going to be on my Rumble channel. I do have a second conversation that Daniel Lee and I had that I haven't posted yet. I have to add an addendum to the end of it because something we spoke about at the very end has changed. And so I know it's changed because I looked it up like at least twice about a year ago. And when Daniel stated the opposite opinion of mine, afterwards I looked it up and he's right. They have added to the definition of a word that did not used to be there. But the first conversation he and I had when it premiered on YouTube, it didn't even, I think it was half an hour maybe, and it was taken down. I got a strike. Couldn't do anything for a week. So nothing's going on YouTube that has any amount of truth or gravy on it, except for, you know, just regular homesteading stuff. But YouTube has been compromised. It's been happening for a long time, but I slid under the radar a lot. But now they're really casting a wide net because I got dinged for medical misinformation when I got that strike. And I think all we said, well, I can't even say it. It wasn't even the topic of the video. It was just a brief comment and bam, it was gone. So everything's going to be on Rumble. No, I don't know the Rumble channel name because, or the URL, because it's weird the way Rumble does it. The other thing is, I tried to link my Rumble channel on a video I did recently. I think it was maybe a community note or something. And it wouldn't let me put a hyperlink to the site without, it was like I had three choices. It was like, I don't know, like a blood and DNA sample, taking a photo of your driver's license and sending it to them, or making a video where they basically tell you what you have to say and what's in the video, and not playing ball with that nonsense. So I can't even, as far as I know, link to my Rumble channel in the description of my YouTube videos. So just go to Rumble, go to the search, type in the contingency plan, look for the bolt cutters, and it's right there. So I think the most recent video on Rumble is the last two conversations ago I had with Daniel Lee. There's some other people I'm going to try and get. I think Dustin Nemos, and I'm trying to get a hold of KJ Osborne. I want to have more chats with people, but again, Rumble channel only. Nothing's going on YouTube because it's a joke at this point. Unfortunately, YouTube has the best interface and the best tools and options, and you know, I'm hoping Rumble comes around and makes it more like the abilities that YouTube has, but I'm not holding my breath, and I honestly don't care. But I do suggest that you subscribe to Daniel on his Rumble channel, DNAJ Lion 7. His channel name I think I have in my last Rumble video. I don't know, it might have been on the YouTube video that got deleted before I got banned for a week. I don't know. It's DNAJLION 7. That'll be Daniel's Rumble, and then Dustin Nemos is on Rumble. KJ Osborne's on Rumble. There's a lot of movement over to Rumble. It's just trying to get the people to migrate over with the content creators. Obviously, YouTube has the stranglehold on and the monopoly on, you know, video format content creation. But the only way to change it is to start spending more time at Rumble and weeding out YouTube. I mean, if they see a big drop in their subscribers or their users, honestly, I don't think they'll change because I don't think money matters. They just print more if they need it. We've seen examples of how money is literally a joke in the last couple of years, where companies do things that are guaranteed, like a 3-year-old could say, you're going to lose money, and they do it anyway, showing you that it has nothing to do with money. It's all about narrative, and I shouldn't even talk about this because they're probably going to ban this one. But I think I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to add an addendum to the last conversation I had with Daniel, and then I'll upload it to Rumble. I've got some other ideas as far as stuff I'm going to talk about. I can't even mention it right now because, like I said, they got their snipers out sharpshooting. Unlike, never mind. So, yeah, if you are interested in the type of stuff that I put out, more kind of like, I would say it's more like the stuff I used to put out, but like bumped up multi-levels, because most of the stuff I put out, I started doing some of the, talking about stuff, but it used to be like, hey, if SHTF happens, here are suggestions, like traveling at night, not taking roads, I don't know, cutting fences, like whatever I had on there. I had a bunch of stuff on there. So if you're interested in that stuff, go back into the archive on this channel and go back 5 years. But if you want to talk about stuff, I mean, that ship has sailed. So if you want to talk about stuff that's more relevant about what's going on now, because they've stepped on the gas as far as the PSYOPs. It's like insane right now. Literally nothing you've heard in the last several months is real. None of it. But anyway, take care, God bless, and hope to see you on Rumble.